You've seen his commercials. Now get up close and personal with Jim Adler. His law firm is Texas Big and Texas Tough. With offices in Houston, Dallas, and San Antonio, Jim Adler has a team of lawyers and legal professionals that fight hard for clients injured in all kinds of accidents.
When people are in adverse circumstances or victims of safety violations or horrible explosions or automobile accidents with 18-wheelers, I understand what it's like to have your life torn apart. And so that's our mission at the Jim Adler Law Firm.
More than 100 highly trained staffers in his 4 offices work on Adler and Associates cases. The Texas Hammer backs his team of attorneys 100%.
We fight the insurance companies with bare knuckles. That's our saying. And we don't want people to get crushed or rolled over by the system. And that's where we come into the picture, because we level the playing field and we make things fair.
Specifics, he says, win cases. To stay on top of them, he visits every one of his offices every month for hours of meetings with his staff, making Jim Adler a frequent flyer. The trips, he says, give him a chance to meet all kinds of people.
That's why I fly Southwest Airlines. I like to just see all the people that are on the airplane. Or if I'm out in the community, in a public service environment, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, talking to police officers, talking to families, mothers and fathers whose children have been killed by drunk drivers, to see how they feel.
A college degree from the University of Texas and a law degree from its law school give this Dallas-born legal eagle his skills. He fights to make sure his clients' children have the same advantage.
Money can't undo the harm that's been done. It can't undo the lives that have been lost. It can't undo the trauma that's suffered in the hearts of injured people. But by the same token, by helping children to get an education if a father is killed, or helping young mothers to carry on with their lives if the breadwinner in the family loses his life or is no longer able to work, it's very gratifying.
His concern for children is evident. He builds community service into his schedule. It centers on kids, trying to prevent accidents, helping with healing.
Just to see the smiles on those little children's faces makes it all worth it. It makes us feel our own humanity and identify with people.
Lots of kids know him thanks in part to the high-profile television commercials that have made him famous statewide, prompting letters from young admirers. But the hard-hitting TV ads have a purpose that some overlook.
The United States Supreme Court has said that the reason that lawyer free speech is allowed is to allow the public to be educated as to their legal rights. So we believe in painting a picture of what the rights are of people who are injured.
His attention to detail and his winning ways have paid off for those he represents.
The bottom line is that my clients love me